Umoto lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for looking for the new subscribers. Welcome and thank you so much for joining the channel. For the OG, I love you so much. Thank you so much guys for your sweet comments. For the new subscribers, my name is Umoto lifestyle. I originally come from East Africa, Kenya, but now I live in the US and I'm bringing you vlogs about live here in the US, and this is the channel to be authentic videos. Guys, these are my pears. So today I wanted to give you a little bit update of my garden. As you can see, my garden is getting a little greener. Let's see here. Let's see. I hope you guys can see. It's getting a little greener. That means something is growing. My veggies are growing. As you can tell, they're doing so well. The onions, of course, they keep amazing me. They're doing so well. Over here we have a mint right there. It's doing so well, followed by okra. Okra is struggling, but it's doing well. Over here we have pumpkin leaves now. Remember, we planted here pumpkin seeds. Now they're turning into pumpkin leaves, which I love eating. Eventually we are going to start eating pumpkins, guys. Oh my goodness, what do you think? Let's keep twirling. Let me turn my camera so y'all can look at that. So those are the pumpkin right there, and over here this is the spinach. As you can tell guys, spinach is doing so well. And this here, I know the Swahili, I don't know Swahili, I don't know which veggies are these. Please, I don't know if you're from Africa. Is this muchicha? Muchicha. I don't know if it's muchicha is a Swahili name or what, but comment below, let me know which one is one. Of course, our spinach, our carrots here. Carrots are doing so well, guys. Look at that. Remember, we had a heavy rain that destroyed my gardens. The beans are coming up so well, and all our veggies were destroyed, but so far another spinach is coming up. It's doing so well over here, and more beans are coming up. But I'm so proud of our kales. Look at that kales, guys. Kales actually is coming up. There's so many. Look at that, another one here. There's so many, guys. I was spraying some water here. Look, kales. Very soon this week actually we should start eating the first kales. What do you think, guys? I am happy. Umoto lifestyle. You have some kales here in the US. Who knew? Look at that. Look at the beans. Oh my goodness, guys, they may not seem as many, but to me this is a blessing, and it's a lot because in the family we are not so many. So this one I can have some kales, have a little bit of soup, or I can use these beans leaves actually as veggies. So I'm gonna show you probably tomorrow we will make this. So I'll make a video show you how I'm gonna use these bean leaves to make a stew. Okay, so yeah, so I love coming here, guys, to give you a tour of this little garden because it's very important. When you have a little place, I love organic. I love planting organic. That's why I am so proud. Because actually, guys, if you go to the store, for example, you're going to buy some carrots. Oh my goodness. Or you're going to buy some spinach. My goodness. Even this one, pumpkin leaves, we don't have it in the stores. But planting it, somebody gave me this seed. This is actually African pumpkin. Somebody gave me their seeds, and they're doing so well. And I don't want to lose that, okay? So yeah, so this is the garden. We are going to spray water. Let me get some water from there. Let me get a hose from here. This is my hose here. So we are going to spray some water here. So look at that, guys. We are going to spray the water. I'm using this hose right here to spray the water, so because I want my greens to have some water so that they can grow. Look at that, guys. I'm loving this. So that's why I tell you guys, it doesn't matter you have a big piece of land or you have a small space like myself here. You can actually grow. You can grow even kales. You know, people believe when before I came here, I didn't know even here in the US you can grow anything. Guys, that's how crazy it is. But actually, I found out that if you have a piece of some kind of soil, you can have even some pots and put soil. You don't necessarily have to own a home or have a house. Even if you live in an apartment, you can have some sand, some real soil, which is the soil you can find soil in the stores actually. Stores like Lowe's, Home Depot, even Walmart, they have soil. You can go grab some soil and actually plant kales, especially kales and spinach. They grow so quick and they do so well. So I'm a happy mama right now. Umoto lifestyle, she is happy. Okay, she is spraying her greens because I don't want my greens to miss water. So this is definitely fine. Wow, guys, comment below. Let me know, guys, the new subscribers. If you don't know, I have a little kitchen garden here that we eat usually here. So usually it does so well, but when it's rainy season like now, it doesn't do so well. So I'm thinking that's enough. I'm gonna go here and turn the water off right there. Good. All right, so that's what is one. I'm going to put this back a little bit, but let me just give you, this is a tour of the kitchen. Now let's come to the pears. Guys, the pears are amazing. They're doing so well. Look at that. Let me zoom for you. We are going to eat these pears. Guys, if you live next to me here, make sure you come knock, knock, knock. My door will be so open for you guys to come and enjoy this. Okay, guys, this one are coming right by my swing. This is my swing set, but look here, I'll be sitting right there and I'll be just grabbing these pears and eating. What do you think, guys? This is amazing, 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 guys. This is what I love. I love organic. I love sitting on that swing set. Yes, I was sitting here and I'm going to cook this plantain. Guys, look, this plantain, I put these plantains from the store. I'm going to cook them. I'm not going to fry them, but I'm going to put them in the air fryer, this one, so that I can eat it right now, because I feel like I had more, but I wanted to show you how the plantain here in the US it looks like. This is how they look like. They look like banana, but they're not bananas, they're actually plantains. Well, this is another pear tree over here on this side, and as well is doing so well. Yeah, you can tell all the pears are so plenty this year. Actually, they are doing so well. I'm not complaining this year. Last year we didn't have many, but it looks like this year God has said let there be fruits. So I guess we'll be eating more fruits here. So we have our 2 trees right there, one of them, our swing set here in the middle, and another one, and then we have our little kitchen garden. Of course, we have our outdoor kitchen, which we will be cooking very soon. Okay, well, guys, thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for watching these videos, and thank you so much for your nice comments, guys, from my backyard, my kitchen, my pear trees, my swing set. I love you so much, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.